Christmas is coming soon. And when I say Christmas, what is the first thing that clicks on your mind? That's the Christmas tree. We all are excited to set up the Christmas tree, to get them decorated with different kinds of decoration, make it vibrant, colorful, filled with lights. Yes, but most of us even love to have the feeling of Christmas around us. Say suppose we are in our office or driving our car, we love to have those small cute Christmas trees on our tables, or something at the side of our car dashboard. That's because of the excitement that we have within us. As Christmas is going to come soon, we love the feeling of having Christmassy items around us, the Christmas spirit around us. So, the celebration mode, the festive season, holiday season, all this, we love to be surrounded by that. So, on today's episode, I'm going to show you all very cute, tiny tabletop Christmas trees. You can even keep them on your car dashboard. You can keep them around your workspace area. They will occupy very little space, and at the same time, it will look very cute, and it will give you the feeling of Christmas to be coming soon. So let's watch the hack. But before I go ahead with the video, let me remind y'all who are new out here, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you all do not miss out on any updates that I post on my channel. You'll need to take one pipe cleaning wire. You can take any color, green is better, and you'll have to start bending it in this way from the start, and then twist it, turn it around your finger in this way. And as you turn it into circles, make circles of it, see that the next circle that you make is bigger than the previous one. Sorry, it's going out of focus as I am trying to get it adjusted properly. So this is how you will keep on turning the wire to give it a spring kind of look. At the same time, each curve, each turn of the wire will be bigger than the previous one. And for the last bit of the wire, you will just knot it into the end wire. Once you are done twisting the wire, this is how it should look. Now this will stand firmly on a flat surface. If you want, you can put it on the bottle as well, on the bottle covers. Here, as you can see, I have taken few of the quilling strips that I have, and I will cut them into tiny small sections. Now you need not take only quilling paper, you can even take plain paper and cut them into small pieces like this. Once you are done cutting them into small pieces, you will stick them on this tiny Christmas tree that you have made to just give it a Christmas decoration like feel. This is why you'll be sticking. And finally, for the star, I'm using glitter foam sheet, purple color, and sticking the star with a normal glue, and this is what it should look at the end of it. Now in case if you do not have such kind of wires, you can take plain craft wire, but I will begin with using some clay to form a star shape, because I'll need to use this in my next Christmas tree, for which I am using plain wire. Once I'm done forming the star shape, I'll leave that aside and I'll take the plain craft wire as I had mentioned. So here I'm going to be using silver and golden, both separately, to make the Christmas tree. You begin in the same way, bend the top side and then start curving it on your finger. Keep twisting it in a form of spring, ensuring that the next curve that you're twisting or the next circle that you're making is bigger than the previous one. Since I have already demonstrated it earlier, you have to go in the same way, and for the bottom portion you will just twist the end part of the wire on the bottom circle of the tree. Here I have the golden one. It's a little out of shape. I'll just put it back correctly in shape and show you how it looks. These are my Christmas trees, the silver and the golden likewise, and here I have put the white star on the golden Christmas tree, and for the silver one I need to put a silver star. I have also made these pipe cleaner wire Christmas trees, different ones, and here I am decorating it using confetti. Now in case you do not have confetti, you can even use cotton balls and color them and decorate it on your Christmas tree. Any color of the pipe wire looks good as a Christmas tree. Here I'm done with this. I have attached a blue simple star made of paper, and this is the orange one. These are how your Christmas trees will look once you have finished it. Very little space it occupies. You can place it anywhere on your office desk, in your car, or you can even gift it to your friend for Christmas. As to where you can find these wires, the link I have attached it in the description box. I'm sure many of y'all must be like, those are simply cute Christmas trees and very simple to make. You do not need much of an hassle. It's very simple things that y'all can make use of and make these cute Christmas trees. Do leave in your comment and let me know how did y'all like this episode. For those of y'all who have any suggestions or requests, y'all can get in touch with me through the comment section or send me an email, or y'all can even get in touch with me through my social media sites. That's all on today's episode. Hope you all liked it. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks. Bye.